Example number 3. This time, medyo may twist tayo. So, ang sabi daw dyan, so ang conical water tank, this is the figure, nilalagyan na ng tubig. Okay, ang height daw nito ay 7 meters. So, ito po yon yung height ng tank. And then, ang kanyang radius ay 3 meters. Ngayon, yung tank na to, ang nagmamay-ari ay isang pamilya. Na kung saan, yung isang pamilya, everyday, nakaka-consume sila ng 2 cubic meters daily. Okay, so, the question is, how many days? So, how many days will the tank last when full? Okay, so, ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap dito, anak, number of days. Okay, but the question is, alam ba natin, anak, kung ilang yung volume ng tubig na nasa loob ng tank? Hindi po, so, hindi binigay, right? So, that is the first step. Find the volume of water inside the given tank. So, given the height and the radius of the given tank. Okay, step number 1, find the volume. Okay, so how to find the volume? Use this formula again. Step 1, write the formula. Then step 2, what is the measure of the radius? 3 meters. What is the measure of the height? 7 meters. Then substitute. Volume is equal to 1/3 times the pi times the radius, which is 3 meters squared times the height 7 meters. Then simplify first. 3 meter squared. Okay, multiply 3 by itself twice. 3 times 3, 9. Then meters times meters. Meters squared. Then 7 meters. Then apply cancellation if necessary. Do you think we can apply cancellation? Yes, because 3 and 9 are both divisible by 3 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3. Meron pa po ba? Proceed to multiplication na po. 1 times 3, 3 times 7, 21 divided by 1, 21, then meter squared times meter, meter cube. Then, after getting the product, multiply your answer by the value of pi. Again, what is the value of pi? 3.14. So, this will become 3.14 times 21. Okay, 1 times 4. 1 times 1. 1 times 3. Next, 2 times 4. Saan na po sa 8? Baba ng? Very good. 2 times 1. 2 times 3. Then get the sum na po. Bring down. 4, 9, 5, 6. Okay, this will become the volume. How many decimal numbers? 2. Where's the decimal point? Okay, so this will, the volume of the tank is 65.94 meter cube. Okay, ito pa lang po anak yung volume. Ang tinatanong yung number of days. So what we're going to do?
Divide.
Very good. Just divide the volume by 2. I-divide lang natin siya kay 2 para masagot natin yung given na question. So this will become 65.94 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2, 3 times 2, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Bring down 5. 5 divided by 2, 2 times 2, 5 minus 4, then bring down 9. So since this is the decimal point, iaangat mo lang yan anak, yung decimal point. Then 19 divided by 2, 9. Very good. 9 times 2, 18. 19 minus 18, 1. And last, bring down 4. 14 divided by 2, 7 times 2. 14 minus 14. Now, what is the exact number of days? Okay, we have 32.97 days po yan. So, the answer is 32.97 days will the tank last when full. So,